better than new. This brand new, gold fortified, never occupied home boasts an open living floor plan, an abundance of natural light, sparkling new appliances including washer and dryer, luxury vinyl plank, granite countertops, 2 faux wood blinds and a large, private backyard. And oh, what a backyard it is! The covered lanai overlooks your amazing outdoor living space that is a blank canvas to become whatever you would like. Firepit. Pool, outdoor kitchen, barbecue area, putting green, playground? It is all up to you. Tucked away in the quiet Stonehaven subdivision, you are minutes away from all your everyday conveniences, yet this abode feels as though you are far, far away from it all. The quiet neighborhood is a straight shot to the future Gulf Shores High School site, Expressway, and minutes from the beautiful white beaches of Gulf Shores. This home is turnkey and ready for you to make it yours. What are you waiting for? Schedule a tour today and start making some amazing memories in your brand new home. Professional pictures coming soon.